and get to the barn now. Feed the cats their milk and give them their water.
Are you still on that thing?
Yes, I am. Tell your friends what you think of this. Okay.
I can't say the words that I really want to say.
We're trying to clean out a little bit of snow because I fell into a snowdrift right over there and I actually couldn't get up. And the wind was just battering me, so he's going to try and clear a little spot off because we have to walk to the barn just over there. Shoveling snow when it's still snowing is like cleaning a house when kids are still growing. Feel like a Viking yet? Don't swear at me.
I know, I said almost morning. Terrible.
Not my fault there's a storm. Blame the meat eaters.
Alright. Fucking meat eaters.
Okay, we'll bleep that one out.